If you're looking kinda hot and your hair is not gonna Ronsay TV.
Hi y'all, Ronsay here. So I'm gonna jump right into this tutorial. If you wanna do this look from the beginning, I did started first using braided hair and get this bundles. So the video is up right here. I'm gonna also make sure I link that in the end of the video so you could just click on it and watch. So for this tutorial today, I first of all need my mannequin head and wig cap, and of course I'm gonna need a lace. And as you can see, the color of the lace is actually my skin tone. I'm using the brown lace for this tutorial. So what I'm doing is pin down the lace on the wig cap, and after that I am going to use a needle and thread and sew around the lace.
For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die, yeah. Give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. As I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah.
So now I am going to cut off the excess areas. I'm gonna do this mid part, so I'm marking the line exactly. So for the closure in the front, I am using braided hair color yellow, as you can see, and I am pulling the strands of the hair and comb it through.
Be my love, yeah. I don't like cheat now, babe. I let that beat me say for you love me, I know the fret. Yeah.
Now I am installing the hair onto the lace.
I love you,
If you look very closely, you can see that I am taking 3 strands for each knot. So I start with 3 and then I am going to end it with 2 strands for the front section.
Yeah. I'm in love with you, yeah.
You guys ask me most of the time, how long did it take you to make this wig? How long did it take you to make this unit? And I must say most of my wigs took me really long time because of the work. It took so much work on it, and I'll tell you, for this one it took me 2 days because of the closure. I had to make sure I got this closure done. So only for the closure it took me 1.5 days, because actually the back section you guys are gonna see very soon in the video, it's very fast and easy because I already did the hair prior.
For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die, yeah. Give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. For you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do, for your love I come over. Adamo, this you love you, they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body every day, feel the father. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah. Yeah. Baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover. Yeah, I don't hang like cheech now, babe. I let her pick myself for you, love me, I know they afraid. Yeah, yeah, Adam, oh, Adam, Adam, yeah. I love you, oh, Adam, 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 yeah. You love the drive, crazy. You love the drive, crazy. Yeah. Website connection, extra large entertainment. If you there, Kabbalah.
We're almost done. We're all close. We are close to finishing this closure.
I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The bird and go crazy for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. Yeah. I can say I done the girls for you, lover. I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how they feel love for you, but Adamu, your body, do me something better.
The next thing I'm gonna do is comb the hair and use a flat iron and actually straighten the hair. Or better said, a hair straightener. First, you grab the hair together, you wrap it one time, and then you hold it really tight and start twisting, okay? As you twist, you wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, all the way down, okay?
With you, I want to die. Yeah.
Once you're done twisting, wrapping, you use the rubber band and secure the ends.
I want to live forever. Forever. Let's say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love me, they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara, bara bara, dama dama, yeah, yeah. I want be.
So the next thing I'm gonna do is put hot water in the sink and just dip the hair in, and then I'm gonna leave the hair to dry first before we can continue.
I love, yeah. I don't hang like cheech now, babe. I let her pick myself for you, love me, I know.
So now the hair is dried out. What I'm gonna do now is take a chalk. I am using this chalk just to mark the lines so that I know exactly where I'm gonna be sewing my tracks. So it's a lot more easier for me actually, and this is a very beginner friendly. If you're a beginner in making wave like this and sewing waves, you can really take your time, and this is really easy for you. Once you mark your lines, it's actually easy for you to install the hair, to actually sew in the hair. So now these are the bundles that I did on my video. I already have a video on how to make bundles, but this is the first time me showing you how to make wavy bundles, so make sure you check that video later on.
For you, I die for you, yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care. Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die. Yeah, give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. Let's say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love me, they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body every day, feel it for that. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara, pick myself for you love me, I know the fret. Yeah, yeah, Adam. Oh, Adam. Adam. I love you, Adam. 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 You love the trouble, crazy. You love the trouble, crazy. Website connection, extra large entertainment. Bra, yeah. It no matter if you there, Kabbalah. Me no care anything for you love I go do. Yeah, I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The bird and go crazy for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. You can say I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how they feel love for you, but Adamu, your body do me something better. Oh, Adamu, yeah. I love you, yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah. For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die, yeah. Give me a love formation. With you, I want to live forever. Forever. And say I cross for you, I'm guilty. Yeah. It no matter what you do for your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love you, they give me hangover. I want for touch down your body every day, feel the father. You me want for chop like a rice, bara bara. Bara bara. Dama dama. Yeah, yeah. I want be your lover, be your lover, be your lover. Yeah, baby, be my lover, be my lover, be my lover. Yeah, I don't hang like cheech now, babe. I let them pick myself for you love me, I know the fret. Yeah, yeah, Adam. Oh, Adam. Adam. I love you, Adam. 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 You love the trouble, crazy. You love the trouble, crazy. Website connection, extra large entertainment. Bra, yeah, yeah. If you there, Kabbalah. Me no care anything for your love I go do. Yeah, I'm in love with you, yeah. You, yeah. The bird and go crazy for you, yeah. I'm a mad lover, yeah. Yeah. You can say I don't go girls for your lover, I'm guilty. Adamu, I don't know how they feel love for you, but Adamu, your body do me something better. Oh, Adamu, yeah. I love you, yeah, yeah. I let them tell me, oh yeah. For you, I die for you, yeah. I let them fight me, oh yeah. For you, I take a bullet. Me no care, Adama, give me a love formation. With you, I want to die, yeah. Give me a why you there. For your love, I come over. Adamo, this you love, you they give me hangover. I want for touch that your body.